Hey guys, so today we're making birthday cake pancakes. It's a nice little twist to add to regular pancakes by adding some sprinkles in the batter. So let's get started. Okay guys, so in a large bowl I'm adding some flour, baking powder, salt, and a little bit of sugar, and then you're going to mix that to combine. Next, I'm adding in some beaten eggs. I just beat the eggs separately in a bowl, and now I'm going to add it to the flour mixture. And then I'm also going to add in some melted butter. Give that a slight mix, and then you're going to start adding in the milk. So add in all of the milk and also some vanilla extract. Then you're going to mix this together with the flour mixture until you have a nice batter. The batter should be somewhat thick but also loose at the same time. And lastly, I'm gonna add in some colorful birthday sprinkles. Okay, so I'm adding a handful of that, and then you're gonna mix that into your batter. So just fold that into your batter, and then now we can start making our pancakes. Okay, so next I'm getting my skillet, and I have it over about medium to medium low heat, and then I'm gonna add it in a little bit of butter. Don't add too much butter in the pan because I noticed really only need just a light coating of the butter in the pan and your pancakes will come out perfect. Okay, so next you're gonna start making your pancakes. So take your spoon or your measuring cup. I'm using a measuring cup, and I'm just gonna pour some of my pancake batter into the pan and shape it to form my pancakes. And then I'm gonna cook my pancakes on each side until it has a nice light brown color. And how I know that my pancakes is ready to be flipped is when it starts making some small bubbles on top of that first side. Then I flip it to the other side, okay, and finish cooking it. Then once it's nice and brown, you're gonna take the pancake out of the pan, finish making the rest of your birthday cake pancakes. And when you finish, you're gonna have a nice stack of pancakes, you guys, and that is it. So now all that's left to do is to add your favorite toppings. For these pancakes, I like to add whipped cream and some more of my colorful sprinkles. If you want, you could also add like a nice vanilla icing drizzle on these pancakes and cut into them and enjoy. Today I made mine with a side of scrambled eggs and bacon, and it was delicious. So this is another breakfast idea for you guys. And yeah, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this very easy tutorial, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.